If you've ever picked up fresh muffins, cookies, or those famous Costco croissants, you've probably never thought about the person behind the packaging. That's the job of a Costco bakery wrapper, and it's more important than most people realize. A bakery wrapper spends the day packaging fresh baked goods, labeling products, checking quality, and making sure everything looks clean, fresh, and ready for customers. You'll also help keep the bakery organized and follow strict food safety standards. It sounds simple, but the pace can be surprisingly fast, especially during weekends and holidays. When it comes to pay, Costco is known for offering better wages than many retail jobs, along with benefits for eligible employees and opportunities to move up within the company. That's one of the biggest reasons people want to work there. But here's what no one really tells you. The job involves a lot of standing, repetitive movements, and early morning shifts. You'll be lifting trays, working quickly, and staying focused throughout your shift. If you enjoy staying active, working with a team, and don't mind a physically demanding environment, it can actually be a solid entry-level job with long-term potential. Would you consider working as a Costco bakery wrapper? Let me know in the comments.